Alright guys, so this is what I'm after. This is perch candy. Don't leave home without it. Let's get some more. Wow, look at that. Yeah, that's a good pump right there, look. 3 nice ones. Let's go. That. All right, now we want a couple dozen. Okay, we don't need too much. A couple dozen. Wow, this pump actually works pretty well, you know, if you're by yourself. Of course it'd be a lot quicker if you had a picker. I'm by myself today, so we'll be all right. It's a good workout. All right. Okay guys, today's setup is pretty easy, pretty simple. I got a 9-foot Okuma SST, a salmon spinning rod. This one's rated at 10 to 30 pounds, up to 2 ounce. The reel I'm using is a Penn Pursuit 3, size 4,000, because you want a lot of line. You can cast out there pretty far. Yeah, size 4,000. For the main line, I got 20-pound braid. For the leader, I have a 12-pound mono. So the setup we're using is a high-low rig. You got your you got your sinker on the bottom. Okay, about 18 to 20 inches up, you got a hook right there, and about another 8 inches or 9 up, you have another loop for a hook. Let's get out there, see what happens. Here we go, guys. I had to move up a little bit. There wasn't getting no bite down there. We'll just keep moving along. Come on, baby. That's a good spot down there, huh? Oh, we got one, guys. See that? It ain't big, but it's out there. Got one. See that? Woo, what is that? What we got, guys? Oh yeah. That is a shiner. Okay. You know, since this is the first fish of the day, we're gonna let them go. I usually don't like keeping them that small, but this is a shiner. Look at that, guys. Beautiful fish. Woo, there you go. Should be all right. We got one, guys. We got one. All right, let's go in for another one. We got one, guys. Yeah, baby. Oh yeah, feels like a redtail. Oh, double! Are you kidding me? Oh yeah, look, guys. Double, baby. Look at that, look at that. Woo! Yeah! Let's go, let's go. Look at that, man. We got ourselves double today. All right. Look at that. Woo! Yeah. Double, baby. Yeah, baby. Let's go. Let's get another one. This one's a little small, guys, so I'm gonna let him go. Bring back a bigger one. Let's go. Let's bait up real quick. All right. Yeah, they are in. That didn't take long at all, guys. Once in a while, you'll get a crab, guys, just like this. See that? That is a female. We'll let her go. Fish on, guys. Yeah, baby, come on. Way out there. Decent size, guys. We're gonna ease her in. Woo, yeah, baby. It's a good one, guys. She's a good one. Oh, yeah. Look at it. Woo, yeah. Yeah, baby. About time. It's about time, guys. Woo, yeah. Let's go. Redtail surf perch, guys. That is a beauty. That is beauty. Yes. Get another one. Look at that. See that hook set? Woo! Right on top of the lip. Let's go. Put it in my money bag. Yeah, baby. Let's go. Let's get back out there. Yeah. I had to walk up and down the beach, guys. Try to locate this the school. I think I found him. I think we may have found him. Let's get back in there. Alright guys, it slowed down a lot. The wind's picking up. We managed to catch 4. I released 2 smaller ones. But yeah, the wind's picking up a lot. And waves are getting really big. Getting a little gnarly out there. I'm going to give it another half an hour. And call it a day. Alright guys.